This is a quick video shot of the DJI Mini 2. Oh my god guys, this thing is so incredibly small, but I was also afraid that I was like crashing in one of those trees because this thing is so incredibly small. Oh my god. I don't know if it's just me or this drone, but this Mini 2 is so silent. It is not silent, but it is quieter, way more quieter than I used to. And this is the DJI Mini 2. It is small. So you know about it, you heard about it, and what is so new about this Mini 2 actually? So Mini 2, it is still a drone that weighs 249 grams. It is still a drone that fits in my pocket, and it is still smaller than an iPhone 7 Plus. The Mini 2 design looks also now less boring too. We now have this blinking light on the front. If you look closely at the camera, you will see this 4K logo on the camera and this silver stroke around the glass. So you know the new design. The next question is, what are the new specs? So the Mini 2 can now fly up to 10 kilometers thanks to the OcuSync 2.0. We can now shoot at 4K on 30 FPS. We can now also zoom with the camera too. The Mini 2 is also way more fast now. We have 20% more increase in speed than the previous model. Well done DJI. We also have a new quick shot on the list called Boomerang. We can also fly now 1 minute more than the previous version. Not really a big upgrade unfortunately. The wind resistance of the Mini 2 is now way better than we used to. We can also now zoom with the camera too, and so much more. One of the coolest accessories about the Mini 2 is that we now have the same controller as the Mavic Air 2. It's crazy. And instead of a suitcase, we now have a shoulder bag. But yes guys, that was it for this video. Hopefully if you enjoyed this video. Also let me know in the comment section below what you think about this DJI Mini 2. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on post notifications and share it with your friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.